Welcome to all. I am Anindita De, member, Expert Committee on School Education, Department of School Education, Government of West Bengal. I am here to discuss about general guidelines on the use of compiled model activity tasks of geography for classes 9 and 10. First of all, model activity tasks are based on the reduced syllabus ratified by the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Allotted marks for each model activity task paper is 50. Each model activity task paper for each class contains 5 items, that is MCQ, very short answer type questions, short answer type question, short explanatory answer type question and long answer type questions. Very short answer type questions contains 4 categories, that is fill in the blanks, true false, 1 or 2 word answers and column matching. Marks have been provided at the end of each item. Now I am giving you an example of VSA or very short answer type question from class 9, that is a perennial river that flows through the Darjeeling district is dash. This question comes under the fill in the blanks category and it carries 1 mark. Similarly, I have taken one example from class 10 for long answer type question, that is mention the negative impact of urbanization on the people of India. This question carries 5 marks. Our honorable teachers are requested to evaluate the answers of the model activity tasks written by the students. It is recommended to use the rubrics in case of evaluation of model activity tasks. By evaluating the model activity tasks, teacher will assess the level of the learning of the learners in terms of the learning goals. We know that the learning gap refers to the difference between what the learners has actually learned and what he or she is expected to learn. The teachers will be able to identify the learning gap of the learners by means of model activity tasks and provide remediation to them. To reduce the learning gap of the learners, the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education is thinking of developing a 100 days bridge material when schools reopen. Then these model activity tasks will be helpful in using these 100 days bridge material. Thank you so much.